yung Rocky Mountain sa ate?
Ayun no, Amy, look oh.
Ang ganda no, parang Toblerone. Tingnan mo yan, siguro puro mountain yan no, yung may ulap na yan.
Mommy, that looks like a volcano.
Yeah.
John Party, your heart or mine on Wild 95.3, Calgary's new country.
Look, Amy, oh.
Ang ganda oh, Amy oh. Wow.
Isa sa'yo. Amy!
Mommy,
Ate
how we're
Amy.
gonna go down?
Ha?
How we're gonna go down the mountain?
Eh, mamaya, makikita mo.
Wait.
Where are we going at Amy?
Rock Mountain.
Rocky Mountain. Lulaban.
We're gonna what?
Ha?
We're gonna find out how we're gonna go down.
Let's find out. Ayan na, si Pusong Bato. Maraki.
Ganda. Doon na tayo bibili ng ano no, pass.
95.3, Calgary's new country.
Purchase Port Pass. Ayan, dito sa main line.
Ma,
Amy, mamaya. Ayan pala masyadong...
almost.
Yeah.
I can see the mountain
Pwede
now.
dito?
Yeah.
Dito sa front na.
No, dito.
Wala yung port.
Ano kaya? Family pass o... Ano sa
Family
tingin mo?
pass.
Family pass na lang?
Parang-
For 1 year?
Family pass? Ba't family pass? Hindi.
Family pass is 145 for... Ayan, may per day pala eh.
Per day nga, 21 yun nga, family group.
Per day yan.
Day nga lang kukuhain natin. Ba't babalik ba tayo ulit dito? Anong gusto mo?
Hindi. Ah, okay. So,